In front of me is Motorola G72 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Devices settings and tapping on Connected Devices. Now, in order to continue, you need to choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the chosen one. Then select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do exactly the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on the gear icon next to previously connected device, choosing Forget, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect the same one again, just tap on Pair New Device and follow all of those instructions one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!